Hello, it's Gem Games here. In this quick video I'm gonna just tell you one important thing. So if you're not using Unreal Engine 5.1 with the tutorial series, then you want to go to the link in the description and you want to download this Eski Mannequin Arms 5.1, because with the newer arms the animations will not work correctly. At least for some people they have not worked correctly. So if you download this and use it as the skeleton for here when we add the adding hands on the episode 12. So from there, when we are adding the arms mesh, you just want to use this instead. I will just quickly show you here on the project. This is not the COD Zombies project, but this is a default first-person project. So first-person arms, you want to go there, and character mesh, you have the old arm skeleton. Rename this to something. You can just delete this if you want, but I will just call it old. Also, let's rename this to be old with, like, I don't know, call it old mesh or something like that. And then you just want to create a new folder, call it 5_1 skeleton. Then you want to open it and import your Eski Mannequin Arms 5.1. And here on the skeleton, you don't want to set it to anything because you want to import the skeleton. So import all. And now you have the right skeleton here. So yeah, now you just want to continue with the series and use this instead of the one that you have on your Unreal Engine. So yeah, see you guys.